Right guys, the microwave has just gone ping and our 2 minutes are up. Hello, welcome back once again to Rob's Homemade and Reviews. Inside the kitchen, we have been shopping at our local Aldi store, which is, if you watched me before, you will know it's literally a stone's throw from my house, which is why I do most of my shopping there. Some at Iceland, occasionally Asda, Tesco, when I can be bothered going all the way down there. So, I'm not a big fan of microwave rice most of the time, but these kind of caught my eye. Asian style sticky rib rice. It's a pouch of rice, which probably microwave in like 2-3 minutes, job done, everyone's a winner, quick meal. This type of thing would go well in a burrito. So we've got a sweet 5-spice flavour with soy, garlic and ginger. Servings 2, probably, but I'm going to eat all of it. If not all of it, the dog might get some if he's lucky. Ready in 2 minutes, limited edition. I'm new, so you need to get to Aldi. Served with Asian style spice pulled pork in bowo buns, if you know how to make them. So let's go with, the writing is terribly small on here. Right, in microwave 2 minutes. Squeeze the pouch to separate the rice tail of the top of the pouch about 2 centimeters. Place pouch upright in the microwave and heat for the specific time. Remove pouch from the microwave and tear open. Beware of escaping steam because you could get burnt. Anyway, ingredients: long grain rice 87%, water, long grain rice, diced red pepper, diced red onion, sunflower oil, sugar, glucose, honey, fructose, onion powder, soy sauce, soybean salt, spirit vinegar, smoked paprika powder, white wine vinegar, salt, garlic powder, coarse black pepper, corn flour, ground ginger, ground cinnamon flavouring, ground star anise, ground fennel, coloured paprika extract and ground cayenne pepper. A sweet and 5-spice flavour. I'm looking forward to it, I'm not going to lie. Asian style sticky rib rice, sounds nice. They do another one as well, which I have got in my possession, which I cannot remember the name of for the love of me. And also, once again, because I've had them a couple of weeks, I can't remember the price either. I don't think they were that expensive, probably £1, maybe £1.50, I'm not 100% sure. I might have to Google it and put it on the screen somewhere if I can be bothered, probably not. So, Asian style sticky rib rice, we're going to go and whack this in the microwave for 2 minutes. And then come back, have a good snifter, see what it looks like, and then sit down and eat. So see you in a minute, or 2 minutes actually, because it's microwaved for 2 minutes. So I'll see you in 2 minutes. Right guys, the microwave has just gone ping, and our 2 minutes are up. So Asian style sticky rib rice. Let's see what this bad boy's all about, shall we? Ooh, that's hot. So I'm going to pour onto the plate. You can see the peppers in there, the onions in there. It smells Asian inspired or Chinese-y style sticky rib. Smells lovely, I'm not going to lie. Decent sized portion. You could get 2 decent sized burritos out of that. Nice, steaming hot rice. I know people saying to me, Rob, you need to do more cooking videos. I know, and I will get around to them when I've got some time off in December. We'll see some proper cooking. But for the moment, I'm doing these reviews because I love enjoying them and love trying new food and love giving my opinion on these things for you guys. So let's go and sit and eat our sticky rib rice. Right. Let's get stuck in, shall we? Do with a bit of chicken in this probably, or something, but it's nice and steaming hot. go. It's quite well cooked. The rice isn't sticking together. It's not gloopy. It's not anything. The red colour from the paprika, and does smell of an Asian style rice. But yeah, basically. So here goes for Aldi's Asian style sticky rib rice. Cheers, guys. It is what it is. It's a cheap microwave rice. It's got a bit of an Asian flavour to it. It'd definitely go better with a bit of sauce or soy sauce or anything, just to make it a little bit wet, because it is a bit dry. But you get a bit of pepper, you get the bit of red onion. You could definitely make this better. Like I say, this in a burrito with some nice fajita chicken and a few bits and bobs extra, some sweet corn and a few other bits. It'd make a banging meal. Or something like this. If you had a chow mein and you wanted some rice on the side, this would be perfect. It's got a bit of care in it, but it's got no spice, no heat baking at all. Like I said, about halfway through it, it's getting a bit dry, a bit claggy. You definitely need sprucing up. Flavour rating. It needs a bit of something more. It definitely needs more salt and pepper. It needs more seasoning, definitely 100%. So I'm going to go with a bang average 5. It's not the worst rice I've ever tasted, but you could quite easily probably make better yourself. But it is what it is. It's quick, it's easy, it's done in 2 minutes. It's for anyone with a family or just wants a quick snack. I could take a pouch of this to work, bang it in the microwave, 2 minutes on my break, whack a bit of hot sauce in it, stir it around, and I'd be happily eat it. It's got a bit of flavour. Asian inspired, definitely. Sticky rib, yeah, it'd go well with ribs, to be fair. If you had some nice barbecue ribs over the top of this rice, it would make a good combination. I can't eat it all. Getting a bit full. But it's not bad. Like I said, it is what it is. It's a microwavable pouch of rice, and I understand that. And in mass making, the flavour is never going to be great, but it does taste of Asia. You've got them spices, you've got the flavours, but it's just not potent enough, it's not powerful enough to make you want more. But like I said, if you wanted to make it into a burrito, or even chuck it in a frying pan, add a load of chicken, add a load of sweet corn, some mushrooms, and it definitely spruce it up a bit. So that was my review of Aldi's Asian style sticky rib rice. 5 for flavour, because it's pretty much a bang average bag of rice, which could be made better if you add stuff to it. Excuse me. So thank you very much for watching. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. When you hit the subscribe button, don't forget the notification bell. Click all and you will get every single notification from me, Rob, of Rob's Homemade. So from me, Rob, and Aldi's Asian style microwave rice, thank you very much for watching. Peace.